Stretch your hands. Surrender all to Him. Ingalizwa ibandla likhulana